We started using the product in 2017, using the product on mainly our potash, and then we started using on our nitrogen products, dry products as well.
We've been using the Dust Not Sin for about 2 years. It works great. We don't have any issues with it sticking to our belts, making the material wet. We spray it and it comes out in the bin nice and clean and basically dust free. It's very easy. We use a very general pump and spray system, and we're currently pumping it right out of a tote.
Our electrician wired it to come off and on automatically based on the amount of amps the system was pulling. So as long as it's on automatic, guys can dump. They don't have to touch anything or worry about it. It comes off and on. So it's basically, if you didn't tell somebody it was there, they probably wouldn't even realize it's a small cabinet and it's out of the way. And yeah, it's been virtually to this point. It's been maintenance free also. We choose to run a fairly low rate, which keeps it really economical for us and also to pass on to the customer. So we're talking a very, few dollars a ton, but in the end, I think we're going to see, a lot longer life out of our equipment, cuts down on the dust on the loader, cuts down the dust that's escaping out of our warehouse and drifting towards neighboring properties. And ultimately, it's dust that's moving through our way hopper, and that we're actually we're not getting shrinkage with that dust that would normally escape. Plus, we're seeing less buildup on our spreaders. Customers are seeing less buildup on their application equipment out the back of the spreader.
We have had very good feedback with our products that we are using the Dust Not Sin on. The customers have been very happy with the results. It's very easy to use. Like I said, it definitely reduces the dust, as well as with our big heavy equipment and conveyor systems and drag lines and elevators. We don't have any type of buildup or caking like some of the other dust control products that we had used before. MinTech has been a wonderful experience for us. They're available 24/7 whenever there's an issue. They answer their phones and are able to get results back to us ASAP if needed.
Visit mintech.com/MinTerra to learn more. MinTech, challenge the status quo.